Door hangers is a compact, yet effective way to store all your clothing and stay organized. Creates more space to hang and organize clothes. It fits over the door perfectly so opening and closing the door doesn't present a problem. It can be used outside the door and planning your wardrobe for a trip. You won't have to throw your clothes on the floor when you are lazy to get them back into the closet. Your room will look super neat with this hanger. Folding clothes rail is a multi-purpose and unique rack that is handcrafted by home experts. It is made with the user in mind. The unique design allows the arm to fold away when not in use. Very neat with a touch of class. Featuring 4 practical hanger notches for clothes. Also comes in handy when you are ironing your clothes so they can cool off before placing them in the closet. No hardware or installation necessary, easy for use and remove. Laundry hanger rack is a simple, yet effective way to hang your laundry while preserving space. Versatile and durable. Keeps your suits, blouses, shirts, and trousers handy and unwrinkled. It is stylish and very functional in your laundry room. Just reach up and hang your clothes instead of reaching out to hang each article on a doorknob. There is no need for screws, nails or glue, and no more running back and forth to the closet. Door hangers for clothes is made from premium-grade steel and will complement in style decor. Professional designer look and feel with a sleek brushed finish. It is rust-resistant and carefully engineered with smooth steel that will not harm your wooden doors. Sturdy and steady with solid specialized construction. Will hold your heavy woolen winter coats and jeans without breaking or bending. It makes a welcome addition to any closet. Just hang it up over the door hanger holder lets you store your bags, coats, jeans, and more and get rid of clutter. Keeps your home neat and organized. They are indispensable and perfect for every bedroom and bathroom.